Today I'm going to talk about romantic poets. So I have chosen the most famous ones, those we all know and we have read in our school and in our college textbooks even. So the first one is William Wordsworth. He was born in 1770 and died in 1850. He was poet of nature. He used simple language. He wrote lyrical ballads, the best portion of a good man's life. So the second one that I have chosen is William Blake. He was born in 1757 and died in 1824. He was a visionary and prophetic, and he used symbolism and imagination. Songs of Innocence and of Experience was his famous work. The To See a Word in a Grain of Sand. Then comes Samuel Taylor Coleridge. So he used imagination and fantasy. He used supernatural. His atmosphere of his poems was supernatural. The most famous work was The Rime of the Ancient Mariner. Water, water everywhere, nor any drop to drink. Then comes Percy Bysshe Shelley. Shelley, some called him Shelley, some called him Shelley, but mostly Shelley is used. 1792 and 1822. Poet of idealism, revolutionary spirit, Ode to the West Wind was his famous work. Rise like lions after slumber in unvanquishable number. So then comes John Keats, one of the most favorite romantic poets. He was born in 1795 and died in 1821. Beauty and sensuousness. When we talk about Keats, definitely, instantly beauty comes in our mind. Beauty and sensuousness. Ode to a Nightingale, Odes and Endymion. A thing of beauty is a joy forever. Then comes George G. Byron, 1788. He was born, and his year was his birth, and then 1824 he died. Byronic hero, famous hero means he created a hero, and then Passion and Rebellion, Childe Harold's Pilgrimage. It was his famous work, and I walk not to add days to life, but life to days. They celebrated nature, they challenged society, they gave voice to emotion.